I put a cat in the washing machine and watched it spinning around and around. And I saw its little face drowning in the suds, and saw its little paws trying to claw their way out. Ooh, and it made me feel kind of funny, and don't you know, it made me feel alright, like a mighty wind all rushing up inside of me and gushing out through my mouth like sound. I put a bat in the washing machine. It took me simply hours and hours to catch it, 'cause it's been so very frightened of me ever since I pulled its wings off and pumped on its head. Ooh, Daddy, can you see me in my parachute? No, you can't, because I am invisible. I'm gonna drop behind enemy lines with a target on my breast and a sign saying enemy.
Mummy, look at the moon. It looks like an angry horse.
What? No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. In my eyes.
I put a lizard in the washing machine and found it so tediously unsatisfying. So I lifted up the hem of my skirt, and there was a load of squirrels and geese inside it. Ooh, Elvis, can you see me now? Dancing in the ditch like an Aztec adventurer. I'm gonna change my name to Pariah Carey and throw a queenie when I can't get my special brew. Can you see me, Lonnie Donegan, standing with my shovel in the ocean waves, in my Peter Tork wig and my royal regalia? I look a little like the Jack of Spades.
Mummy, the moon!
Oh, how many times? It's not a horse.
But it is, Mummy! It's a horse! A horse! A horse! A horse!
Stop it!
A horse!
Stop
a
it!
Horse, a horse!
Stop
a
it!
Horse.
The moon is made of horses. 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 Can you see me standing in the fireplace like Joan of Arc in the middle of the darkness? Later on I'll be standing on the roof in the wind, pretending I'm a TV aerial. And it looks so